Juan came here, he took a lie detector test, and we asked him, have you ever done anything sexual with Janine's daughter? He answered no, and the result for that lie detector test is that he did not tell the truth.
Oh!
That's the second time. That's the
Absolutely.
second lie detector test. How is
my
it?
daughter, you
How
rapist! You child molesting rapist! You've done nothing but continue to live in that home. Janine, I will get custody of my child, and I'll be you again. You ain't going home with her.
How?
You ain't going home with her.
I don't believe it.
The hell you're leaving here today with her.
How?
The hell you're leaving here with her. And you know what? And if I'm telling you right now, if you go home with that guy, I'm telling you I'm leaving here today with my daughter. Today, it stops.
Okay, hold on. Okay, so here we are, where, okay, you didn't want to believe a lot of things, but as just a total outsider.
It's crazy, man.
Just as a total outsider, I believe somebody sexually assaulted your daughter. Just because of the evidence of a doctor examining your daughter and writing down the injuries that she sustained. Now, I don't know whose idea it was to come on this show. But I want to finish, so don't start yelling. Finish. He comes on this show, you yourself take a lie detector test, and you tell the truth, and you pass. And we were able to get that result for you. Juan comes on, takes the test, and he fails for sexually assaulting your daughter. Now, I'm just curious from you, Janine, what do you have to say about that?
Hard to believe.
Janine.
Now, hold on.
She loves him. She calls him Dad.
I would never do that, man. I don't
He's
understand
been there since the day he was outside the room when she was born.
Janine, you're talking about a 3-year-old little girl, okay? Children that are victims of sexual abuse when they're young have some kind of relationship with the person that's doing it to them. You have a man living in your house.
No, I'm living in his house.
You have a man living with your child in a house that's failed 2 lie detector tests about sexually abusing your daughter. So what is your plan of action going forward?
I have to go home and figure out what I'm gonna do. I have no home, I have no nothing. I have to go back to these.
You know what's terrifying here? You're gonna go home with Juan.
Yeah.
That's where my kids are and my freaking stuff.
And when you go home, you're not gonna do anything.
How do you know? You can.
How do I know?
Oh.
How do you know? You know why I know? Like I've said before, I've met you 1,000 times before. I know you. I know you better than you know yourself. And you know I'm right. You're gonna go home, probably go out to dinner or somewhere, and then you'll make.
Now when I have no money, I ain't going out to dinner nowhere.
And you'll make love to Juan. And you'll pick Juan over the safety of your daughter.
It's not true. It's not true. She wouldn't pick me over the safety of her daughter, Steve.
You know what, Juan? You know, yeah, you're a drug dealer, you're this, you're that.
No, I'm not a drug dealer, Steve.
A former drug dealer, guy gets out of jail, guy who has no moral compass at all, and a guy that will sexually abuse a little girl. You're get off my stage. You know what? Hold on. And as far as I know, he might be a piece of crap, right? But I don't care. What'd you think you came on the show for? Did you come on for the truth?
Yeah.
You got it.
Wonderful.
Now what do you do with it? Nothing.
I have to move on.
Move on with what? Where are you going? What are you doing? I know what my plan would be. I would turn to the person that was sexually molesting my child and say, you're screwed. I'm gonna have you locked up. I'm never gonna see you again. See, but the tip-off was way before that. When she passed her test, it was like, she wasn't worried about her. She knew what was coming with Juan.
I'm not a liar.
No, you might not be a liar about yourself, but you're even worse. You don't protect your own child. You don't want to believe the police. You don't want to believe nobody. You want to believe Juan. Well, you want to believe Juan, you go right ahead. Go be with Juan. Go do whatever you do. Go lead your miserable life and get the hell off my stage. We do the show, we try to give good advice, we try to solve problems, but I can't make her into a good mother. I can't do it. That's a lifetime of building up to be a bad mother. So you have to be smart yourself now. I'm sure you made mistakes. I'm not saying you're an angel up here, but I think you have the best interest of the child at heart. It's your daughter.
Thank you,
so you
Steve.
need to go home, you need to go through the legal system, you need to get the police on his ass, you need to get the investigation open, and you need to fight and get custody of that child.
Thank you, Steve.
Good luck.